Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this session, we will discuss exercise 1.5 from additional mathematics course for IGCSE and O-level student. And this book is written by Sweep Pemberton. And in this exercise, we will discuss question 6, 8, and 9. And this question number 6. We have sketched the graph of y is equal to 2 modulus 2x plus 4 for the domain value minus 6 to plus 2, showing the coordinates of the point where the graph meets the x-axis. And on the same diagram, sketch the graph y is equal to x plus 5 and then solve 2x plus 4 modulus is equal to x plus 5. So let's start this question number 6 here. We have this question 2x plus 4 modulus. And we know that for x is equal to 0, we have y is equal to 4. So for x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. For y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. So this is minus 2. So we will draw this graph, and this is the mirror image of this graph, because this is modulus. So this is a mirror image. And from second graph, x is equal to y is equal to x plus 5. So we'll draw this at x is equal to 0, y is 5. As x is equal to 0, y is 5, and at y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 5. So this is point and this is graph draw. So this is y is equal to x plus 5, this graph, and this is graph is the modulus graph is this 2x plus 4. So from this graph we can see from here that at point this value minus 3 and 2, this graph intersects minus 3 and 2, and at 1 and 6 this graph also intersects. So this is the solution. Let's start question 8. Sketch the graph of y is equal to 3x minus 4 for minus 2 to 5, showing the coordinates of the point where the graph meets the x-axis. On the same diagram, sketch y is equal to 2x and solve the equation 2x is equal to 3x minus 4 modulus. Similar kind of question. So let's solve question number 8. Here we have this 3x minus 4 minus 2 to 5, and this is the graph. At at x is equal to 0, the value of y will be 4. This is the graph. And at x is equal to y is equal to 0, x is 4 upon 3. So this is 4 upon 3. So this graph and this graph. So this is y is equal to 3x minus 4, and for y is equal to 2x, this passing through the center, and at x is equal to y is equal to 0, x 0, at y is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2, and we extend this graph. It intersect at this point and this point. So at 2 points we can write this 3x minus 4 is equal to 2x, and for negative value for this 3x minus 4 is equal to minus 2x. From this we have obtained this x and y value. X value is 0.8, and by placing here y is equal to 0.6, and from this graph the value of x is obtained as 4, and for x is equal to 4, y is equal to 8. So this x is equal to 4, y is equal to 8, and x is equal to 0.8, and y is equal to 0.1. 0.6 is the solution. So this is the solution, one solution, and one is this solution. So this is question number 8. Now question number 9, one of the challenging question. Question 9. Sketch the graph fx is equal to x plus 2 modulus. This is printing mistake. So plus x minus 2. This is, and using this graph we have to find the solution of x plus 2 plus x minus 2 is equal to 6. So let's draw this graph. This is very important question. And we have fx equal to x plus 2 modulus plus x minus 2 modulus. So let this one is a y1, and this one x minus 2 is a modulus y2. And for x is equal to minus 4, we see that this is 2. For minus 3, this is 1. Substituting, and we get these values. Similarly, for x is equal to minus 4, for this second one, we see this is 6 and this is 5, this is 4, this is 2, and this way. And from these values, we have plotted this curve. So this curve is y is equal to x minus 2, and this blue curve is y is equal to modulus x plus 2. At x is equal to minus 2, this is 0. At x is equal to 2, this is 0. So we have drawn this graph, and from this graph we can see that at value x between x is equal to 2 to minus 2, we can see that this is a minus 2, 0 plus 4, solution is 4. For x is equal to minus 1 to 3, the solution is again 4. And for x is equal to 0, 2 plus 2, 4. And x is equal to 1, 3 plus 1, 4. x2, 4, 0, 4. And 5 plus 1, 0. So in this region, this graph is 4, and afterward this two graphs added and we compare this. So the resultant graph is this. Since we have to find the solution at x is equal to 6, so at 6 we have drawn the graph, and we see that the 6 is intersecting at minus 3 and plus 3, and we can see this from here. Minus 3, the solution is plus 1 plus 5, and at x equal to 3, this is 5 and this is 1. So this one is solution. X is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 3, fx is equal to 6, and at x is equal to plus 3, fx is equal to 6. So this is very, very important. So in the next session we will discuss inverse function.